In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change goal on MyFitnessPal, weight loss guide. If you're adjusting your weight loss plan or just fine-tuning your targets, updating your goals in MyFitnessPal makes a big difference in how the app calculates your daily calorie budget. I'll walk you through the process from opening the app to editing your goal weight or weekly goal with simple tips along the way so you know exactly what each choice means. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, tap login to proceed. This takes you to the sign-in screen so you can access your account, enter your email address and your password, then continue by tapping login again. Use the same login method you used when you created your account so everything syncs correctly. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, which is the home screen where you see your daily calorie summary and recent activity. From the dashboard, go to your profile. Depending on your device, this might look like a person icon or a section labeled Profile, Me, or More. Tap that to open your profile area. This is where your personal settings live, including the options that control your goals and the way the app tailors calorie and macro targets for you. Next, select Goals. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little within your profile screen. It's usually near the top of the settings list. This section is the hub for weight, activity, and nutrition targets. Inside Goals, you'll find the options to change your goal weight or your weekly goal. Your goal weight is the number you're working toward. Set it to the weight you want to reach. Your weekly goal controls the pace at which you plan to lose or gain weight. Choosing a slower weekly goal is generally more sustainable and can help preserve energy and muscle, while a faster pace is more aggressive and may require tighter tracking. When you adjust either of these, MyFitnessPal recalculates your daily calorie goal to match your plan. Take a moment to confirm the changes make sense for your lifestyle and activity level. Picking a realistic weekly pace helps you stay consistent, and you can always come back to this screen and update it as your progress changes. After you make your selections, your updates usually apply right away. Head back to the dashboard to see your new daily target reflected in your calorie goal for the day. That's it. You've successfully updated your goal in MyFitnessPal and set yourself up with a clear, achievable plan. Keep tracking consistently, check in on your progress, and adjust these goals as needed to stay on track.